Yep, that happened. Hey, what is up everybody? Michael here, welcome back. Yeah. Now, before I say why, I just wanted to say I noticed something. Usually every summer, I usually do an Apple unboxing. Last year I did the white HomePod and I had a stereo setup. Well, this year is a new iPad. So I think every year I'm gonna do an annual Okay, hashtag Apper. Let's see if we can get that trending. But every summer I'm gonna do at least one Apple unboxing, the summer of Apple. Just one unboxing every summer. Let's see how long that'll keep up. But yes, I got the new iPad Pro. It went on sale, everything was on sale, took advantage of it. I needed a new upgrade anyway because, fortunately, this is the last day with this bad boy. Now, I've owned 3 iPads in my lifetime. The original iPad, which I have upstairs, I'll show you in a later review. This is my second one, and this will now be my third one. I am gonna kind of miss this one because this is the budget one, served me well in college, but I wanted that bigger upgrade. Although we'll go off to a better home, so sayonara, old friend. But he's still here for this last video. So today we're gonna look at, I'm only gonna do an unboxing and impressions video. I won't do a review now. I will use the iPad for a month. I will give 2 reviews. I'll review it when iPad OS comes out and also before iPad OS to give you guys a review of what it felt like before iPad OS. Now you're probably saying to yourself, are you also gonna unbox the accessories? Well, obviously. So let's take this upstairs and let's do a proper unboxing. So let's go. Alright, so we are upstairs. Now for the purpose of the video, I cleared off the table. Not the best place to do an unboxing, but I moved my lamp over for some better lighting so you guys can see and take a look. So I just opened up the box and this is my first time opening them and I am actually kind of excited. Now as you guys know, I love an Apple unboxing. It is a nice experience. So let's take a look at the overview. We have the iPad Pro, we have the Smart Keyboard Portfolio, and the Apple Pencil. Now, going to adjust because, you know, we want you guys to see. All right, there we go. So first thing we're going to start off obviously is with the iPad. Now, I want to say I picked this up on sale at Best Buy with their back to school sales starting now. I picked this up for $6.99, $100 off, and the accessories were also on sale with the best price match. So I advise you guys, if you can get a hold of these for a cheap price, I highly advise it because this thing is ridiculously expensive, but I'll talk all about that in a review. So let's get down to the granddaddy, the iPad Pro. Now taking a look at the box, you get a nice image of the iPad, which is always nice to see. It's very different from the regular budget iPad. They only show you the side. I don't know why. So this is the nice image of it that was upside down, but you'd really honestly never know. Also, I apologize about the camera angle. It is not the best, but I'm working with what I have. On the back here, we have the iPad Pro 64GB. I only need 64. I don't need 128 or 256. But again, more for that in a review later. Now, Apple has supplied us a pull tab, so let's pull this bad boy open. Ooh, that's nice. That is nice. Ooh, that's actually really smooth. So much easier than using a knife. I watch all these YouTubers unbox the iPad Pro, and like it literally has a pull tab. Like, why are you using a knife? Unbelievable. All right, so let's open it up. I'm gonna come over here real fast. Let's slide this bad boy up down. Ooh, this is easier to open than the other. Oh, that is nice. That is nice. So this is what you get. Lift up on the tablet, and wow, that is thin and that is light. I was not expecting it to be this thin. Before we take a look at the tablet, we'll take a look at the accessories. Now we have in here, designed by Apple in California. We'll take a look at our charging brick in a sec, but we get our paperwork and of course our Apple stickers. I always am a fan of Apple stickers. You know me on this channel. Also in the box, for the first time ever, a USB Type-C. This is probably one of the best things the iPad Pro has done. Introduced USB Type-C instead of using, well, you know. But it's nice that they include a fast charger, so that means the iPhone is accustomed to fast charging. And also in the box, we have a USB Type-C cable. Going to take a look at this cable. It is rather smaller compared to the MacBook Pro, but probably because the MacBook Pro charger, I guess you could say, probably maybe it's due to the amount of power it's going to take in.
But this is the charger, and I gotta say, it kind of resembles the regular lightning cable, but it's a Type-C to Type-C. This is actually really nice. I will use this bad boy often to charge my iPad Pro, so let's put that over to the side, and that's all you get in the box. Nothing really fancy, but a nice unboxing. All right, let's put the iPad over here for just 1 second. All right, so that was the iPad Pro. Now, let's take a look at the tablet itself. All right, and this is my favorite part of opening up an iPad, and I just knocked it over, so there goes my warranty. Always peeling off this. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Apple, I'll give you props. You may charge an ass load, an arm and a leg, but that was a nice unboxing. And this is the iPad Pro. Wow. Hello, everybody. Oh, wow. This is really thin. And let's take a look. All right, no bends out of the gate. Just wanted to make sure it's not bent. But this thing is incredibly thin, and it's not that heavy. It's really light. Got your nice camera on the back. Maybe I'll try the camera out later. Smart connector on the bottom, and this is the space gray. And yeah, this is nice. Really nice. Now, of course, you want to protect your investment. You don't want to waste it. So let's take a look at now. Ooh. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Where were we? Oh, yes. So let's take a look now at the accessories. The Smart Keyboard Portfolio. Now, this thing retails for $179. Wrap your mind around that. $179, and the pencil, $129. Unbelievable. But hey, at least I got them on sale. So, again, magic pull tab. Boom. Don't need to pluck it. Remember, YouTubers, especially to the big YouTubers, you've been doing unboxings longer than me. Like, just look for the pull tab. Stop using a razor blade. Unbelievable. You know who I'm talking to. Jerry Rig. Nah, I'm just kidding. But, alright, so this is the Smart Portfolio Keyboard. This is a redesign. I'm also going to pull the Apple Pencil as well, not just to waste time. Ooh, that's nice. Rah, rah, rah. Pull that crap off. Boom. 2-in-1. How do you like that? So this Smart Portfolio keyboard I got because it has a keyboard. I am not too accustomed to using Apple's keyboards, but some people say it's a mixed bag. But this is a redesign. It covers the back, and it's supposed to be stronger with the use of the magnets in the iPad Pro. So let's pull this bad boy off. I'll look at the Apple Pencil in just 1 second. The Portfolio is supposed to be the slimmest model you can get. And ooh, okay. Wow, that is incredibly thin. Is there anything else in the box? Nope. All right, but wow. Ooh, this is really nice. Just like the iPad, it's got a nice little matte finish. You open it up, there's a little piece of keyboard. Ooh, okay. Let's take a look at this. The keys have a fabric, so it's spill-proof. Has your Apple logo there, and the taptic feed. Not too much feedback, but I wouldn't say it's the worst to type on. It's definitely better than the butterfly keyboards, and it feels better anyway. Looking in this bad piece of hunk, there is some paperwork. Do we get Apple stickers? And no, we don't get Apple stickers. Okay, so Apple, I guess products only. All right, no problem. So that is the Smart Keyboard. I don't know why they put folio. I guess it's a portfolio, but we'll take a look at that after. Plug it to the side. And finally, Apple Pencil Generation 2. Now, I have the first gen Apple Pencil, which I've heard, I really gotta say was a weird design, but this one definitely fixes the design of the first one. So let's hoping that this feels much better, if I could get it out. All right, there we go. Designed by Apple in California, and there is the Apple Pencil Gen 2. That is nice. All right, first thing I noticed, it doesn't have a glossy finish this time around. The previous gen Apple Pencil, I don't have with me at the moment, but it has a glossy finish. This is more of a matte finish, which I really, really like. Now, usually when you ship this thing, they give you a replacement tip to replace in case that the thing goes, but it looks like Apple did not include a replacement tip. Huh, wow, Apple. Okay, so that is actually kind of weird. Because with the first gen Apple Pencil, at least they were nice enough to give you the replacement head, but figuring they sell the damn thing for 20 bucks, they're like, nah, we're not giving you anything for free. That's a bad Apple. That's a bad Apple. Alright, so I guess we've got our accessory, and we have our case. Now, for the purpose, I am going to put it in the case. I want to see how it is. Then we'll turn this bad boy on. So, just, oh, sorry, other way. I know, I'm all over the place tonight, guys. All right. Ooh, that goes in magnetically. Okay. Camera's in there. And boom. All right. Wow, this is actually really cool. I like this. Kicking it out. Open it up. iPad's like that. Snap it in. One snap. Boom. Got your tablet mode. Snap it out to number 2. Get a little more better angle. This is really nice. I really like this. Now, let's of course start this bad boy up, and also with the Apple Pencil, because it's magnetic, it goes on the top where you can charge it and pair it. So, and this thing is strong, I will not lie. So let's turn this bad boy on just for giggles. Unless of course Apple didn't charge it. They always expect you to waste your energy. Bad Apple. Alright, doesn't look like it's turning on. Probably, oh, there we go. Alright, so flip it around, and this, let's see what it looks like with this whole full screen design, and then we're gonna end the video here. Also like that, like the buttons. I probably will get a little piece of protection on this because the glass. Wow. All right, that is cool. So since there is no home button, you now have to use the gestures. You have Face ID on here, which is nice. I gotta say, I'm liking what I'm seeing. So I'm gonna set this bad boy up, but I'm also gonna end the video here. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Please let me know what are your thoughts on the iPad Pro. I just wanted to share the unboxing and first impressions. I will, of course, again, I will do the review. It will come out soon. So definitely be on the look for the review. That's gonna do it. Thanks for watching, and peace. Oh, and one last thing. I always do this, but I forgot to do it. The smell test. Whoo! Smells like a Chinese factory. I'm sorry, guys. I just do that in there for giggles. I always do that with all my products. I forgot to do it this time around. It's got that new factory smell. So that's going to do it. Thanks for watching, and peace out, everybody.